G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am in the beautiful town of 1770. It's on the central coast of Queensland and it's right at the base of the Barrier Reef. Anyway, we're going to go and do a day tour out to Lady Musgrave Island. It's got like coral reefs and everything there. And the price of the ticket includes lunch. So we'll go for a bit of a day tour and suss out the lunch on this Lady Musgrave Island boat tour. Let's go. The boat ride is about 2.5 hours out to Lady Musgrave Island, and we were hit with swells of 1 to 1.5 metres. Tell you what, it was pretty tough trying to hold that throwing up back, although a lot of people couldn't resist. Eventually we got to the calm waters of the reef, and our first sights of Lady Musgrave. We sat anchor and they served us some morning tea, some scones and fruitcake with cream on top. Looks pretty good. Okay. Tastes alright. It was a cold, windy and overcast day, but you could still see the beauty of the reef, and the water quality was crystal clear. Now they also got tea and coffee, but they've got Milo here, and I do like Milo, so I'm just going to have a cup of that, a dash of milk, and a teddy bear biscuit. After that snack, we all jumped on a glass-bottom boat and cruised to the island. On the way there, we saw turtles and coral and fish. It really was a beautiful sight. It was amazing to think that Lady Musgrave Island is the first island in the Barrier Reef island chain, and the coral here and the beaches were just so beautiful. On the island itself, there were 3 specific types of trees on there, and it was just so beautiful. There's plenty of nesting birds there as well, and also birds that scavenge the floor that can't fly. We don't know how they got to the island. They must have swum. But we all walked around the island and it was so beautiful. But then it was back on the boat for some lunch. So now it's lunchtime, and what they've served us is, looks like just a wrap. This one looks like a ham and lettuce, tomato, and this one just looks like a big chunk of lettuce with not much else. Melissa asked for gluten-free something and they didn't prepare her anything, so that's pretty bad. So let's try this.
Rejects from them. No, I don't think so.
Tastes like a bit soggy and bit average. Now, they hadn't really prepared anything for Melissa, but they did, and she got quite a nice little feast here. Cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, pickles, salami, olives. Whoa, you really scored. Anyway, it's time to go snorkeling. So then we went snorkeling the reef for the afternoon. It was then time to go back home for another 2 hours of cruising. Luckily, the swell was behind us and it made the cruise a whole lot smoother. Now on the way back, they've given us this little platter of rice crackers, cheese, gherkins, salami, sun-dried tomatoes. Oh, and there's some little cocktail onions there too. That's nice, isn't it? All in all, it was a pretty good tour and we really enjoyed snorkeling the reef, and it's so good to know that it's so close to home as well. We really had a great day.